Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a very interesting shopping video. This is one of the cheapest shopping place in Bangalore where we can buy branded products, dresses in lowest price which starts from just rupees 49. In this shop you always have offers and discounts and there is no day that there is no offers. The name of the shop is called Sri Venkateshwara Garments. This is located in Jayanagar 4th block, and if you are far from this place, please don't worry. They are having this kind of shops in different name in more than 10 places in Bangalore. Without any further delay, let's get started. Here they have dresses, slippers, handbags and many more items for lowest price. There are totally 4 floors. Now we will go to the first floor and check out the collections. In first floor they have tops, kurtis, 3/4 denims, single piece dresses and lots of varieties for ladies. And no need to worry about the sizes. They have sizes starting from XS to XL, XXL and even 4XL and the waist size from 26 to 50. And here they have beautiful collections of kurtis, jumpsuits, skirts. Over here we have 3/4 pants, that is denims. You get all the colors like ivory, white, half white, pink, blue, grey, black. And look at this beautiful white 3/4 denims. And this denim is just for rupees 199, which is from the brand Alto Moda. And all the denims over here are just for rupees 199. These are casual capris for ladies. Looks so colorful and available in all the sizes. And these capris are for just rupees 129, which is really worth for the price and the material is just awesome. They had plenty of colors and designs in this 3/4 capris, which is all for just rupees 129. Over here there are ladies western short tops which we can pair it up with denims and skirts, which look so beautiful. And these western tops are starting from just rupees 99. All these tops are from the most famous brands. And one thing I came to know from the staffs here is every Friday they will refill with new stocks, so plan your shopping accordingly. Weekend shop will be crowded than the usual. These are single piece knee length dresses for women. This navy blue long dress is just for rupees 249. The quality of the material is too good and it has inner lining also. Now many of you may have the question that we are paying very less for this cloth, whether it has any damage or the quality of the material is not good. Absolutely no. The quality of the material is perfectly fine and there is no any damage and the cloth material is too good. And to shop here, the only thing we need is time and patience to choose your correct cloth and the price. And they also have trial rooms here where you can trial and choose your correct size, since the size may vary for the brands. They also have ladies inners over there and so many colors and sizes are available. This cold shoulder top is just for rupees 129, which is really unbelievable and it is worth for the money. And this checker top is only rupees 99. Here there are cotton kurta pants in size small, medium and large. This is for just rupees 69. And the material is too good. It's pure cotton. And now first floor shopping is over. Let's go and check the second floor. In second floor they have kids section. Starting price is rupees 49 for kids section. So you have to be patient and search for the correct stuffs over here. This denim frock is just for rupees 179. They have wide range of tops and t-shirt collections for girls, and they have arranged in age wise so that it is easy to select for us. And the t-shirts are starting from rupees 49. And the one thing I need to say is, do not keep your hands on the expensive price over here. Search for the lowest price and the quality materials. You will definitely get it. Look at this sparkling party wear top. This is just for rupees 199. And this white t-shirt is for just rupees 59. This pink t-shirt is so pretty and it is full sleeves. It's only rupees 99. And they also have jean pants, night pants for girls for all the ages. Denim pants for girls starts from rupees 99, and they have lots of colors to choose from. These are all printed denims for just rupees 349. The material is too good and the designs are just amazing. They have wide range of collections for newborns and toddlers up to 5 years old. Colors are just so pleasant and full of pinks, blues and whites. And they also have sandals and slippers and shoes for both boys and girls. All the sandals are for just rupees 249. This shop is usually crowded in the weekends. Since I went on the weekday, the shop is not so crowded so that I can make the video. Here they have ladies leather handbags and backpacks. Here handbags are quite expensive, I feel. Ladies handbag starts from rupees 699. And they also have colorful backpacks for rupees 499. This section is for ladies t-shirts, sportswear and workout wears. Ladies t-shirts are starting from rupees 59. And workout t-shirts are starting from rupees 149. And they also had ladies formal wears like pants, blazers, shirts which they can wear for office. And this is single piece nightgown which is for rupees 179. And single piece party wear dresses are for rupees 349. And this section is for ladies jean pants. This slim fit ladies denim is for just rupees 199. And this black color denim is for just rupees 99. And look at this beautiful crimson red denim. which is from the brand H&M, and this is for rupees 299, which is really amazing, and the quality of the material is too good. I feel denims are really worth for the money which we are paying here. And these are ladies track pants, which is for rupees 199. And these night pants are for just rupees 149. In 4th floor they have footwear for men's and women's. Ladies slippers are starting from just rupees 249. Look at this beautiful shoes, all are for rupees 249. And they also had walking shoes, men's boots, sneakers, sandals for both men's and women's. All the sizes were available. So check out this shop once you come to Jayanagar. I will give the address of this shop in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. For more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to my channel Pavi's Fashion. Thank you.